Hello everyone, we are reading the chapter that is multiples and factors. In the last class we have learned how to find out the factors and today we will learn how to write the multiples and what is multiples. So a multiples is a number that is formed by the multiplication of two factors. Got it? Multiplication of two factors. Suppose see here this example 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So this 2 is also a factor, this 3 is also a factor of this 6. Why? Because if we will divide this 6 by 2, we will get the 0 remainder, and here if we will divide this 6 by 3, so we will get the remainder 0. That means this 2 and 3 is a factor of this 6. Got it, children? See here. For example, when a multiple is divided by one of its factor, then the remainder will be 0. Yes or no? The remainder will be 0. When we divide these 3 divided by 6 divided by 2, so you will get the remainder 0. So 2 is a factor of 6 and 3 is also a factor of 6. In the same way, here also 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20. So 4 and 5 is a factor of 20. Got it, children? Very easy. Just we see here. Note down. Multiples are the product of table of every number. Every number is a multiple of itself, and every number is a multiple of 1, and multiples carry on endlessly. There is a no end of multiples. Got it, children? There is no ends of multiple. Now, finding multiples. Okay, finding multiples of a number. It's very easy. Just we need to write the table of the given number. So multiples of 2. When we get the multiples of 2 by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Here, hence the multiples of 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 12, and 2 7 is 14. We can write here. In the same way, we can find the multiples of any number by doing multiplication with that number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 100, 200, 500, 700. We can find out the multiples of any number by multiplying the given number. Got it? And we can also, we have learned in class 2, got it, children, how to do skip counting. How to do skip counting, that is the multiplication. So if we are skipping 2 numbers, so that is the table of 2. If we are skipping the 3, so that is the multiples of 3. That is on the number line. It's very easy, children. See here, skip counting. Another way of finding the multiples of a number is to use the number line, and the multiples of 2 are shown on the number line below. Skip count by 2s on the number line, like line, to get the multiples of 2. So directly we are jumping 2, again skip 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So we can write the multiplication table on the number line. Got it, children? Now, so common multiples. Here common multiples. Common means what? Same. As we have learned in common factors, now we need to find out the common multiples. Okay. So common multiples are the multiples that are common to or more numbers. Which are common to 2 or more number. The least common multiple of 2 number is the smallest among the common multiple. Means least. I hope you have remembered that when we are reading it, when we are reading the chapter that is fraction, in that chapter we find out the least common multiple, that is LCM. So here also we need to find out the LCM. Okay, in the same way, the least common means the smallest one among the given multiples. Got it? Now, very easy. See here, find the common multiples of 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 that are less than 20. We need to find out the common multiples of 2 and 3 that are less than 20. So first we will write the multiples of 2 which is less than 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. These are all less than 20. Now multiples of 3 that are less than 20. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. So now we need to find out the common. Now you can see the circle ones are the common. 6, 12, and 18. These are the common multiples. Means These are the common, the same one in both the tables, 2 and 3. Now in this problem, now in this question, which one is the least common multiple? Which one is the smallest? 6, 12 or 18? 6. So the 6 is the least common multiple. That means LCM of 2 and 3. So 12, 16, sorry, 6, 12 and 18 are the common multiples of 2 and 3 that are less than 20. Here 6 is the least common multiple, and the same thing we can show on the number line also. The same thing we can show on the number line also here. So just we need to write this, keep counting on the number line. First see here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So these are the multiples of 2. Now 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Less than 20. Okay, we need, don't take 20. Just we need to write less than 20. So now now we need to find out the common multiple. So which one is the common? See the overlapping one. Hey, here is overlapping 2 and 3. That multiples of 2 and 3 is also overlapping. Here see here, overlapping 6, then 12, then 18. So we can write on the number line also. Got it, children? Very easy. Now is 37 is a multiple of 3. How we will find out? Just we need to divide. If we will divide a number by the given number, if the remainder is 0, that means it is a multiple of the given number, otherwise not. So let's see here. So 3 just divided 37. So 3 1 just 3, 0, so 7. So 3 2 just 6. 1 is a remainder. So by dividing 37 by 3, the remainder is not 0. Therefore 37 is not a multiple of 3. That means 37 is not a multiple of 3. Why? Because one remainder is there. If the remainder is 0, 0, that means 37 will be the multiples of 3. Got it? Now so let's do it as the exercise. Okay. So read the question. What is the question? Mark the multiples of 3 on the given number line below. So here we need to write the, mark the table of 3, multiples of 3. That means we have to keep counting by 3. So we'll start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So just jump on 3. Then again 1, 2, 3. Then directly we can write 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18. Now nothing is there. So just you circle it your table, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Very easy, yes or no? Because we have learned in all this class 2 and class 3. So now mark the multiples of 6 on the number line given below. So 6. Just jump. Right. 6. Now again 6 2 is 12. Then again 6 3 is 18. Just so circle it. 6, 12 and 18 is the multiple of 6. Done. Now question number 3. Solve the following. Write the multiples of 6 that are less than 25. Write the multiple of 6 that are less than 25. So here we need to write the table of 6 which is less than 25. So let's write it. Number A. The multiples of 6 that are less than 25 is 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24. Done. 6 5 is 30. We cannot write. Why? Because 30 is greater than 25. So here we need to write only less than 25. Got it? Now number B. Write the multiples of 5 that are greater than 9. Write 3 multiples. Okay, we need to write here 3 multiples of 5 that are greater than 9. So the multiples of, sorry, so the 3 multiples. Okay, the three multiples of 5 that are greater than 9 is, we cannot write 5. Why? Because 5 is smaller than 9. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and 5 4s are 20. Done. This much. Very easy. Now write the multiples of 7 between 10 and 40. So here we need to write the multiples of 7 which lies between 10 and 40. Means not less than 10 and not more than 40. So the multiples of 7 between 10 and 40. So 7 2 the 14, 7 3 the 21, 7 4 the 28, 7 5 the 35, 7 6 the 42. We cannot write because 42 is greater than 40. So only this much. 14. See, between 10 and 40 means this is greater than 10 and less than 40. Done this much. Very easy. Now number D. Write the common multiples of 2 and 4 from 1 to 20. Show the multiples on the number line. So we need to write on the multiples on the number line also. So first we will do here. Okay. So first you write multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Okay, multiples of 2. 2 less than 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. Done. Now multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 less than 20 is 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, less than 20. Now here we need to find out the common. So this 4 is common, this 8 is common, this 12 is common, and this 16 is common. Got it? Now show the multiples on the number line also. So let's make it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So just we mark the table, the common ones. So 4, 8, 12, and 16 are the common on the number line. Got it, children? So on the show the multiples on the number line. So these are the common multiples I am showing on the number line. Got it? Or we can also do, so first you write it 2, 4 multiples of 2. Okay, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, less than 20. Okay, now table of 4. So 4, 8, 12, and 16. So overlapping one, as you can see here, overlapping one are the common one. We have just we saw in the example also. Yes or no? So overlapping one. Got it? Now question number E you try. Okay. Now write the first common multiple of 2 and 5. first common multiple of 2 and 5. Okay. So number 3, number F. Okay. What is the question? Write the first common multiple of 2 and 5. So first you write down the multiple of 2. Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You just write it up to 5. Okay. If required, we will write more. So here multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now find out the common. Yes, this is the common. In same way like LCM. Okay. So the first common multiples of 2 and 5 is 10. Done. Very, very easy. Now again, number G. Write the first common multiple of 3 and 4. Okay. So you write it. Multiples of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. If required, we will write more. We will not get the first common. Okay. Then multiples of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, then 20. Now as you can see here, 12 is the common one. So the first common multiples of 3 and 4 is done. Very, very easy. Got it? Just we need to find out here LCM means least common multiple. Got it? Next. So what we have to do here? Number H, circle the multiples of 3. So which one is circle of multiple of 3? So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, then 27 and 30. Then take the multiple of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Then find out the first common multiple of 3 and 5. Now you check it where both are there. Circle is also there and tick is also there. So as we got here, here and here also. Okay. So which one is the first? 15. So here we will write the first common multiples of 3 and 5 is 15. Done. Got it, children? So you keep on practicing. Okay. Thank you, everyone.